Hello guys, welcome back. In today's episode we'll be looking at, as usual, Ethereum and BTC, and also we will be looking at DXY chart. So as you know, in yesterday's video I provided this circle, and as we expected there was a consolidation, 8 hours. However, I also expected that it's going to be a sideways consolidation as a result of the BTC dump, and as you can see it, we dumped hardly. After 8 hours, that you can see this lower time frame support resistance lines, it was a support yesterday, came dollar to dollar as you can see it, and rejected, and again tested lower time resistance line, dollar to dollar, and hard rejection after that. Market started bleeding very hard. However, on the higher time frame, still we can hold our hopes. I'll just show in a minute. Before that, I would like to draw your attention. Since we broke 630 and 640, I provided 12 target prices. As I said, I would like to play level by level, and I'm closing this trade, and we're going to open a new fresh trade when the market provides us. Having said that, as you can see, we reached to our last target 12, dollar to dollar, 1350. Yeah, 1350. However, we didn't reach until the end of it, which was 1400, and I would say this is quite the success rate, 97-99%. I'm very happy with that. And as I said, we're closing this trade and we will be opening a new one very soon. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon so you make sure you do not miss the important updates. Before I close this trade, since the beginning of this trend, we are already in spot 100 and nearly 15% up. In the last 72 hours, I provided another short-term call, which gave us nearly 10% profit. So all of these trades are closed now, and we will be opening, as I said, the new trades. If we take a look into 30 minutes time frame, after breaking this candle, officially we're in a bearish zone. 1 hour time frame, again the same scenario. With the breaking of this candle, we are in a bearish zone. 2 hour time frame, as soon as we reclaim 0.5 fib level, will be a consolidation zone on the 2 hour time frame. When we look into 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame is still bullish, however is getting slightly weak. Having said that, it may consolidate further down here all around in this area. It's too early to talk about. We will see in the coming hours and days. And the rest of the high time frames are healthy and bullish. Let's take a fib. On the 4 hour time frame, I took a fib, my fib. You can take it under 2 hours or 4 hours, it doesn't matter. You will take it 715 zone all the way to the recent high. So swing low to the swing high, and that will give you a beautiful fib levels. The reason that I didn't put all of them, I'm just closely watching these important levels. And recently I made an update via Twitter that the price was around 0.5 level, 1000 area. I said the next zone, if we're going to break the 5.5 level, the next zone we should be holding and seeing 618 and 66 zone. As you can see, exactly nearly from 6 to 6, dollar to dollar, week to week is rejecting. However, 915 zone, I have another confluence of horizontal support zone, which is a daily, and that came rejected exactly dollar to dollar. As you can see here, I recently updated about a bull divergence on the 1 hour time frame. If we're going to go into 1 hour time frame, as you can see, RSI is keep printing higher lows. Here we go, we can see a bull divergence. I'm expecting the price action to go further up and claiming that 50 zone, and it may reach all the way up to 1100 and 1150 area. As I mentioned earlier, if Ethereum comes into consolidation zone on the 4 hour time frame and it loses 618 zone, this zone around 950, 930 area, then you will see the market will start panicking. For now, as I said, it's early to talk about it. I just would like to keep watching and not planning to take any short at the moment. If we look into the previous price actions, right now we are kind of in these price actions. I know this dump looks quite heavy, however, this is technically similar as that. However, when it comes to this type of dump. It's not about the percentage wise that we're dumping a lot and here is a bit less. So as you can see, hard dump and then consolidation, and then we were losing on the 4-hour time frame. Literally in here, the market started losing a hope, and all of a sudden, as you remember, I gave a clean breakouts 630, 640, and then we went up. So the similar patterns that we may face in the coming days. As I said, after this consolidation, highly likely we will be going up and we will be consolidating around here, and then we will see if 618 levels lose. This is going to be the similar patterns over here. However, in this case, we just fake out and then we recovered instantly. But we will see what will happen in 618 zone. If you like and enjoy from the content, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I want to draw your attention to the DXY chart, and I would like to show what's the correlation with the BTC. We touched into this in the previous videos. As you can see, from the beginning of July, DXY start dumping, and BTC, as you can see it, you can see that BTC start pumping. However, in this circle line, you can see BTC was on a sideline. However, DXY, as you can see, started pumping end of August and beginning of October. And as you can see, beginning of November, all the way up to a couple of days ago, DXY was dumping, and as you can see, end of October, BTC was pumping up until couple of days ago. So this is a correlation, and this is where you need to pay attention. What I'm waiting is, as you can see it, if DXY was pumping, in this scenario BTC started consolidation. What we can expect in this scenario is, in the near future, in a couple of days, I would say, we can go all the way up until 91.70 and 80, maximum 92 level. We will see how the 92 level will play out. Either it's going to start consolidating, or once it's going to break, we will be discussing further upper lines. But by that time, I'm closely watching all the way up to 91.80, 92 levels. And then what will happen is, for the BTC, what may happen is, the bleeding may finish and then further consolidation may happen. Or we will go towards the south. We will be watching closely on the 4-hour time frame, and that will give us a clear direction. Let's move on to the BTC. In yesterday's video, I mentioned that if we cannot manage to break and stay above 40,100 zone, we will be heading towards the downside. And I gave a hint on the 1 hour and half an hour time frames. And this was our, if you remember, 39,170 zone was actually breaking zone towards the downside. And as you remember that this zone, once we're going to break this zone, we will be heading towards the south. And I also provided a short-term target zone. You see it, we came back towards the target zone nearly, and then we went retested again exactly the same zone, dollar to dollar, and then sharp decline took place. However, I updated fib levels later on via Twitter, and as you can see on the higher time frames, that first of all 0.5 level played some role. We came back, retested, we went up, and then again the next time we kept testing these golden zones. And just now, higher time frame, I've got again confluence with horizontal support line, dollar to dollar, and it's not really important. However, we've got rejection, next rejection with another important level of Fibonacci 786. One can also mention it, I just saw it now, that is a double top pattern that really worked well. Having said that, market, including myself, didn't expect such a harsh dump. In the end, after we're breaking this zone, like dollar to dollar, as you can see it, we went down. And I should mention that in the bull run, I keep mentioning, if there is no clear sign of the bearish sign, that on the higher time frame, that I'm not interested in such a trades. At the moment, as you see, we are on the 30 minutes time frame underwater clearly. 1 hour time frame, again the same scenario, and 2 hour time frame, exactly the same scenario after we broke 382 level. However, if we look into a 4 hour time frame, we are in consolidation zone. On the 4 hour time frame, I'm expecting to test it 50 level. If we manage to break 36, ideally 38 38 and 39 zone, we can head up towards to the new all-time high. If not, I'm expecting to get rejected from the 5th level around 35,000 zones, and then will be further consolidation will take place between 0.5 and 0.66 zones. If that happens, we should be patient and wait it to consolidate. It may take a few days to a few weeks, and then market will provide us a clear break up or down signal. At the moment, 4-hour time frame has some room to go up and to test, as I said, 0.5 level, and in few days time this 0.618 golden zone, not now, in few days time, within 48 hours, this will start playing a very crucial role. If we cannot stay above 618, then on the 4-hour time frame the bears will come into play and we will go further down. I will be updating all via Twitter or in the next videos when we will lose 0.618, and then the next zones that we need to keep an eye on, 28,000 area. If we cannot manage to hold this level, then we will be going towards 22.5 and 24,000 areas. However, as I said, it's early to talk about it. I'll be updating in details in the coming videos or via Twitter. I would like to draw your attention a potential bull flag. As you can see, this red candle broke it and couldn't stay inside the channel, lower channel, as you can see. That was a potential bull flag, and I had more than 2 confluence with our horizontal support resistance lines as well as a fib levels. The target was over 50,000, and as you can see, I updated second update today about 6 hours ago, 5 hours ago. It was invalidated. As you can see, there is nothing to hide. All trades I'm posting and updating on time. If you're not following me, you can follow me via Twitter at CryptoMagnate8, at CryptoMagnate8. If you have any reasonable questions regarding the technical analysis, or you want to learn technical analysis, one-on-one mentorship is available, or if you need a consultation, my DM is always open. As you remember, we had 2 clear entrance zones. One was 19,700, another one was 24,000, and we had down below 7 target zones. As you know, that we hit all of the target zones dollar to dollar, and target 8, 9 and 10 hit exactly nearly. The last target zone was hit 42,000 and our target zone was 42,171. We hit nearly our target zone, and I'm closing these trades for the public, and I will be providing a new ideas. As you can see, I said if we manage to break it and stay above, our next target zone is going to be next Fibonacci zone, which is 45,585. However, we couldn't manage it, and I'm super happy with this trade. I would say over 95-97% success rate. And as I said, closing for the public, this trade will be updating and coming with the new ideas. And I hope you all had a nice profit along the way. I also reminded you risk management, and in the coming days, as I said, I will share short and mid-term ideas. If you enjoyed, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you press that bell icon so you get an instant updates. This is all for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.